43 degrees out right now. We need to set that high idle on this old 13 liter. Come on. All right, boys, morning. Back on the old D6N. Getting this thing tore into this morning, and hopefully by the end of the day have this engine pulled. Hopefully. Well, so much for an easy unassemble of the AC system. Yeah, it's a leak. Well, get the lower belly pan dropped and told to pack up and go to another job. Here we go, boys. Update was on my way. Had another guy out there already looking at it. Idler's fucked on that D6K2 from Friday. So back to the D6N we go. Contractor life. Awesome. Alright, so we end day 2. A little short today. Wanted to get closer to getting done. But we got more piping and everything taken down. The engine is just about as strip to strip can get. AC system. Like I said, we did find that line that was busted. We're down past the belly pan at this point, and drive shaft's out of it, and we just got to a couple more lines to pull and pulling pumps. Hopefully tomorrow, possibly. Get that idler job now on that D6K2, got to go back to, but some point this week, boys, we're getting this damn engine pulled. Yes, sir. Really getting tired of looking at this thing. Just get out. Just go that way. Just get the fuck out.
Here lies less more, 4 slugs from a 44, no less, no more. Out in Arizona.
Good morning, Mr. K-Whopper. Alright, morning, boys. Back on the old D6N. Swear to God, I see this thing way more than I see my wife. Here's a little Tech Tip Tuesday for you guys. So if you're going to start disconnecting electrical components, mostly J1, J2 connectors, 30-pin connector like you see right now, it's not a bad idea, especially if the machine's going to be down for an extended period of time. You've got rain or something like that in the forecast, or you plan on cleaning the machine itself. Bag it up. You can get those little small hefty clear bags or something like that, cable ties. You can tell also, same thing in here with the machine control ECM connectors, same deal there. So let's go ahead and get today's done. Got that custom made 3/8 14 mil Allen. Hopefully we can get this other pump bolt out. Well, boys, today was a fail. So tried to get the engine out, and with the adapter plate for the pumps, it's just not lifting level enough for me to pull. So I guess this is all getting pulled now too. Fucking fun. Problem with the D5 or D6. Fuck! Alright, boys. Yeah, the chain was on it. Engine started to move, and equalizer bar is riding on the adapter plate for the pumps. So, gonna get a chain fall and try to adjust this thing a little bit easier to try to pull it out, or we're pulling the fucking cab. Fun. Alright, boys, happy Wednesday. Here we are back on the D6N. Let's get into this shit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start disassembling portions of the harness and different components so we can get the cab pulled. I had a couple of guys help me out today that were in the yard, and with 2 lifting eyes and some big ass chain, we were able to hoist this unit right on up out of there. Broken bolts in the back with battery panel, but took care of that. Issues for later. And finally, we get this thing moving.
We did it! You did it!
All right, boys, there it is. Cab's off, engine's out, thing's stripped completely down. Got some cleanup to do, and then get the reman engine put in her. I did want to say that I had a couple guys reach out to me, and I just want to say you guys are the best followers, period, bar none. If I have a problem that I can't figure out, there's always somebody there willing to give me an answer. So thank you again for everybody that helped out. Wow. I had a couple people comment on the video saying that they didn't like the digital dash in the old K-Whopper, but I absolutely love it. I don't know. I'm not really that tech savvy of a guy, but for some reason I love the way that thing looks. Welcome to Thursday, boys. Had a cool idea for an intro, and it's raining its ass off, so let's get today going. All right, fuel tank's installed. Now I just gotta put the rest of this shit back together. Let's go. Yeah, the best way to pull these oil pressure switches is just to pull the engine, or you know. All right, out with the old engine, and boom, there you go, boys, installed. Let's get this put in this turd. Let's go.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
Alright, boys, for the most part, we're all put back together. Just got fuel put in it, and got to top off the radiator and shit like that, but fully assembled. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing fired today. So I'm calling out to all my Bobcat brothers looking for a part. Alright, so I'm looking for the pigtail for the starter relay for this MT85. Anybody who knows the part number, hit me up. If it's CarQuest or AutoZone or Napa, whatever. I just need this 4-pin plug and a little bit of wire. So if somebody's got a part number for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. MT85. Let's go, boys.
106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it.
Oh, there's that socket I was looking for. Just had to remove the whole goddamn machine. Morning, morning, boys. Let's get today rolling. It's Friday. All right, back on our favorite pressure washer. Let's try to repair the burner. New coil, new plug, wires, all that fun shit. Let's get going. All right, now with the
Great success.
Those cones all loaded up. That ain't going nowhere. Okay, we got the old engine and the new unit right here. Woo! The yellow paint. Now just you transfer there. Work.